Upgrade your driving experience with the DURACELL N01 wireless CarPlay adapter, a game changer for all factory wired CarPlay cars. Say goodbye to the hassle of tangled wires and enjoy the convenience of wireless CarPlay functionality. With our innovative wireless CarPlay adapter, you no longer need to worry about compatibility issues. It works with all factory wired CarPlay cars, saving you time and effort in choosing the right product. Compatible with iPhone 5 and newer devices running iOS 7.1 or later, this adapter ensures a seamless transition to wireless CarPlay. Experience true plug-and-play convenience with the DURACELL N01 adapter. Simply plug it into the CarPlay jack, sync the Bluetooth connection, and enjoy instant connectivity between your car and phone. The setup is quick and easy, with auto-connect functionality for subsequent use. Our powerful CarPlay adapter is equipped with a new Type Smart IC chip and signal filter technology, ensuring a continuous and reliable connection. Say goodbye to lag or disruptions during music playback, calls, or real-time GPS navigation. Enjoy responsive map displays and uninterrupted entertainment without noticing any difference compared to wired mode. Leave your phone in your pocket and enjoy a clutter-free driving experience. The compact size of the adapter allows for easy hiding or mounting, reducing the need for frequent plug and unplug actions that can damage charging cables. Never worry about leaving your phone behind in the car again. The wireless connectivity ensures seamless integration with CarPlay throughout your drive. Upgrade to the DURACELL N01 wireless CarPlay adapter today and elevate your in-car connectivity to a whole new level.